So how do you change the view of time on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So you have more ways of changing and adjusting it. The first one is adjusting, or the first method would be adjusting the watch face time view, right? So you hold down on your Apple Watch, click on edit, and scroll through the options. Like you can change the color, night mode, or some other things. But when you go to the style section, you can see that I get to pick between like different options, and it changes the way my time looks, right? So that's like one way of doing that. But the next method would be switching completely to another watch face. When you check out your iPhone and open up the watch application where you get to manage everything, at the bottom you have face gallery. And you basically get to pick from any of these watch faces, and you just browse which one you like. You get to pick the options and even customize the select ones, right? So even if you tap on one type, you can customize it to a degree, and this will change entirely how the time is viewed, right? So it's in a different color, different shape, different font, right? It might perform some different features or functions, right? So it's like a nice way to get the most out of your Apple Watch by customizing it and making sure it just suits your needs the most, right? So that's how you can do this. Of course, on the Apple Watch, you can quickly change in between them by swiping like that. And yeah, that's how it works. So in case of any questions, leave them below, but I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Most definitely subscribe to be part of the Foxtecc channel because I have so many tutorials which I believe you're going to benefit from. So stay tuned and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.